Welcome to our product overview at Scrapbook Adhesive by 3L. Easy Runner Grand Refillable Dispenser and Refills. We have 4 different kinds of adhesive: permanent strips, repositionable dots, permanent dots, and ultra strong. Each have their own refill. There's a drop-in. Real easy to use. Easy Runner Refillable Dispensers are handheld adhesive runners, same type as the Grand. They pop in with the same different kinds of colors, except for in addition we have Easy Runner Squares and the Easy Runner Micro, which is a thinner line of adhesive. We have shaped ones, which is the heart and the stars. Each have 650 pieces. Great to put foil and flock and whatnot on. We also have the Petite Runner with dots, great for small hands and for travel. Easy Runner Original Dispenser. There are 5 different adhesive types with this. It includes the permanent fine, perfect for the vellum. Our value packs come in the permanent strips and its refills, as well as the dots in a combination of repositionable and permanent. We also have them in the 2 permanent strips and Easy Square, and then our 4-pack of a sampler. Crafty foam tapes and other 3D foam adhesives. We have a large roll of 108 feet of the crafty foam tape in black and white, which has a height of 1/32 of an inch. We also have them in 54 feet, which is more 1/16 of a height, and it's great for dimension. We also have them in 13 feet if you rather have a small one, and it's perfect for throwing into your bag and traveling with, because you just need just enough. It'll get you there. We also have them in 3D foam squares. This is our large 1/2 inch squares. This is our 1/4 inch squares, black and white. We also have them in a combination of 2 different sizes of those 2. We also have the thin, again 1/32 of an inch for subtle lift, as well as a smaller type of 1/8 inch of the micro squares. It is great for die cuts that you need to prop up. We also have them in sheets, great for die cutting. You have one for 3x5 and 6x12. We also have the circles that are in mixed sizes, black and white. We have the frames that are rings. We have strips that are 1/8 width as well as 1/2 inch width. We also have the ones that are pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about die cutting them. You could put foil, flock, glitter to make them embellishments. Metallic transfer foil sheets and kits. We have 6x12 of 2 different kinds of the foil colors. We also have them in 6x6 sheets. There's 5 colors with 2 sheets each. They go well with our adhesives. They go well with the foam. We have kits for them in pre-cut as well as solid sheets for 2 die cut with. Mounting squares. We have about 6 different kinds of mounting squares, from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch in white and clear. A couple of them are repositionable temporarily and they go back into being permanent. So many types to choose from. Crafty Power Tapes and other double-sided tapes. We have our Crafty Power Tape, which is also known as our tear tape, in poly bag as well as our dispenser. They're 81 feet. We have a cute dispenser with 20 feet, and then its refill, which is also 20 feet. We also have them in premium double-sided tape, which is from 1 inch all the way to 1/8 width, which is great if you're looking for card makers. We also have red line tape, which comes from 1/2 inch all the way to the 1/8 inch for strong hold. Adhesive dots and lines. We have 9 different types of adhesive dots and lines. They go from micro all the way to large. And in between we have things like ultra thin. We have 3D dots that hold heavier things like buttons. We have lines that does ribbons and borders, and we also have repositionable, perfect for the gift cards if you want to add that into your projects. Something for everyone. Creative photo corners. We have 6 different types of the paper embossed photo corners from different colors, from gold, silver, white, black, ivory, and white. And we even have a variety if you can't make up your mind, which is my favorite. We also have 2 different other polypropylene photo corners in black and clear. Adhesive sheets and keepsake envelopes. Adhesive sheets are great for edge-to-edge coverage for die cutting, great for stickers. They come in 12 by 12, 6 by 12, and the popular 4 by 6 sizes. Keepsake envelopes are great for keeping memorabilia into your projects. And that's our quick overview of our products at Scrapbook Adhesive by 3L. Thanks for visiting.